A pool of mosquitoes tested positive for the West Nile virus in Agua Dulce this week, a day after a second mosquito in Kingsville tested positive. Health experts say that there are no reported cases in people in Corpus Christi, and the West Nile virus can't be transmitted from person to person, but in rare cases, it can be spread through a blood donation. Well, I did speak with the Coastal Bend Blood Center about how they test for the virus and what happens to infected donated blood. According to local health officials, about 80% of people with West Nile virus won't feel anything if someone is donating blood and doesn't know that they have it. Ashley Ramirez with the Coastal Bend Blood Center said that blood goes through an extensive testing process for diseases.
Our main priority is making sure and ensuring that we're providing that safe blood supply for our local residents here in our community.
Ramirez said every donor's blood is tested every time, and there were no positive test results for West Nile virus at the Coastal Bend Blood Center since 2016. Since it's always a possibility, she said that it's important for them to test for that and all diseases. She explained that not only is someone saving lives with a blood donation, it's also a health checkup for the donor.
A lot of people that found out that they had underlying health issues that potentially saved their lives was because they donated blood.
If testing determines blood is infected, Ramirez said that it's discarded immediately. Dr. Kim Anyufrak, an emergency room physician at SurePoint ER, said 1 in 5 people with West Nile virus will get typical viral symptoms. That includes a fever, head and body aches, fatigue, and nausea.
I've seen lots of people with flu-like symptoms, something to think about, that West Nile could be one of the symptoms that are causing it.
If someone is confused, having seizures, or limb paralysis, Anyufrak said that these are severe symptoms requiring medical attention. However, she explained that usually only happens to 1 in 150 patients infected with West Nile virus.
Most of the cases are mild, and the best way to prevent it is to mosquito repellent and long pants and long sleeves.
Anyufrak said that it's recommended to wait 120 days for West Nile virus to clear from someone's system before donating blood. Ramirez added that blood donations are always needed at the Coastal Bend Blood Center. If someone is feeling healthy, she asked that they book an appointment or come to the center.